How to use WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the WhatsApp application over here. As you launch the WhatsApp application, you simply have to add an account over here. So just tap on agree and continue after you install the WhatsApp application, and here mention your phone number and your country code. After you do that, just tap on next and you'll have to verify yourself to get your account created in WhatsApp. After you create a WhatsApp account, you'll be able to see there are 4 major menus at the bottom of the screen, from chats, updates, communities to calls. So on the chats, you can just tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and then you can chat with anybody you'd want. After that, on the updates, you'll be able to see your status option. So just tap on my status and you'll be able to add any status over here. Next, tap on communities and you can stay connected with any community over here, or you can even start your own community. And on calls, you can definitely see all the calls history. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.